took away my color. You know that was my favorite one. Reminded me of summer, tangled up in covers, can't enjoy the morning sun. You came without a warning, I should've seen the caution signs. Disrupted all the peace and brought me to my knees, and now you never leave my mind. You got so good at scheming, shot with my tangerine dreaming. Keep on repeating. Roses are red, and I wish I could see them bloom, but all I see is orange hues, and all I do is think of you. Now you're stuck in my head, and I wish I could sing the blues, but all I hear are orange tunes, and all I do is think of you, think of you. Now you got this smile on your face when you should be ashamed. No, you can't replace, no, you won't erase the colors that fade. Can't see, can't sleep in monochrome. Can't love, can't grow in copper tone. The blues and greens deserve a home. What about them? Roses are red, and I wish I could see them bloom, but all I see is orange hues, and all I do is think of you. Now you're stuck in my head, and I wish I could sing the blues, but all I hear are orange tunes, and all I do is think of you, think of you, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. All I see is orange, orange. You got so good at scheming, saw with my tangerine dreaming. Keep on repeating. Roses are red, and I wish I could see them bloom, but all I see is orange hues, and all I do is think of you. Now you're stuck in my head, and I wish I could